welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And friends, today is a very good news for you guys because I got a new pet. Okay guys, so first of all I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to think that who is it. So I'm gonna count till 5. Comment down below, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I think you have read in the title what I got, but just to see. Okay, so here is my pet. Here she is, guys. Can you see? So that is Pocket, the white one, and she's a girl. She's Pihu, I named her. She just came yesterday and she's tamed. Okay, so I'll show you. She is tamed. So she is gonna be coming on this. Actually, she doesn't want to right now. Pocket! So they're always fighting actually. I'm just gonna take her on my hand. So actually guys, you'll be thinking that why is she biting if she's tamed? Why is she biting if she's tamed? Come. Fast, come. Pihu, come. Pihu, come. Slowly, Pihu. So that's the thing, guys. She is really angry girl. She doesn't like to be. But I love to take her on my hand because she's kind of like, guys, really soft. I don't know if you can see her or not because she is behind the cage over there. Actually, she is always, she's always going to Pocket wherever she's going. Oh, I think she's hungry, that's why. Because whenever she's hungry or she's sleepy, she never lets me touch, guys. So I think she's hungry. I'll just get her food out outside there. So friends, we'll meet you in the next video. For now, tata, bye bye, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon, and today's video's target is 500 million subscribers कर देना और 500 likes कर देना इस वीडियो को. मिलते हैं next video में. Comment down below. Did you guess my new pet or not? So